They've been up and down on the lift hill from our vantage point throughout the day. Hey Coaster Addicts, this is Dwayne here, and we're again here at Six Flags Over Georgia as promised for a weekly update on Twisted Cyclone. And we're going to start this time though actually from the inside the park over here by the train station. And as you can see, it's a beautiful day out, and we have some construction definitely going on. Probably a full day of construction, and should be the same way tomorrow. So if you look way up top, they are on the track. They'll try to get you some clarity for you. They've been up and down on the lift hill from our vantage point throughout the day, and it looks like they're definitely getting some work in, getting things all tidied up. Don't know still when trains are going to be running, but we'll definitely be out here to check that out, see if we can get a little bit of footage as we near the opening of Twisted Cyclone. So again, everything is done. The track, as you noticed in the last update, is done. We have workers all throughout the track though. You have some over here, kind of at the bottom of the lift hill, walking by. Well, it's kind of hard to see from this angle. There they are, walking by there. You have some over here as well on the brake run, and definitely up on the lift hill. So lots going on. We're getting closer and closer to opening, so let's take a look at the other side and see what we can find out, see if we see anything different, and also check out the Exit merchandise retail shop. Okay, we're over on this side here, a little closer. You just saw the angle from the train station. Now we're just behind the loading area where the brake run is at, transfer track, storage area, that sort of thing. And you see there's some computer stuff going on here. So my guess is calibrating things with regard to various braking systems and that sort of thing. You definitely don't want trains obviously running into each other. And if you know the way the coasters are made, they're kind of in a block system. So essentially, as you go in, you will they won't dispatch the train out of the station until another one has reached a certain section of the track. So in this case, you'll notice. You have the lift hill here. They could essentially, most likely, use the lift hill as a way to slow or maintain the gap essentially. But once there'll be a two-train operation, and you'll get this one here. The train will come into the brake run, and as it enters, the other one's exiting. So you'll be cycling through that way. So if the one's not dispatched from the loading area, then of course the one on the brake run won't be pushing into the loading station. So you want to keep everything organized and get people in and out as quickly as possible so they can enjoy this ride. So that's what they're doing, most likely, checking out some of the electrical systems. Our understanding from the earlier days is that over here, I believe it's down in this area here, behind this wall, is where a lot of the brain of this ride will be housed at, unless that has changed. So essentially you'll have that, and it does appear that they'll have some capacity to maintain the trains back here in the storage area as well. So they're just doing some different electrical related work, some different programming. Lots of programming that goes into it. I want to make sure that it's a smooth ride for everybody, so it doesn't slam on the brakes and do too much or too little. But you'll notice that there'll be a lot of this going on in the next couple of days, next couple of weeks. Just fine-tuning, calibrating all the way through. So there you have it. We don't know exactly, I don't see any additional stuff in this section. We'll take a look a little bit over on the other side where the exit building is at. We're next to where the restrooms by the west ticketing area is at, and we'll get that angle and see if we can see anything new, because again, today is a big day for construction and we expect to get some more vantage points. Hey, there you have it, folks. Not much going on. They're just doing construction every day. We have a few things to look at. And, it looks like they have everything going on. Kind of prep for the next day. Everyone's done. And there you have it. So we'll get some more updates. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. It's youtube.com/c/CoasterAddict. Of course, if you're watching this video here, just hit the subscribe button down below and hit the bell as well. You get the latest update from us. You'll know when the next thing happens here at Six Flags Over Georgia and all other parks in the area. We'll be coming with some more details very soon. Thanks for tuning in, guys.